Sir, right now you are at the Kyoshi Fest 2025. This is the third season. So what do you like to say? How was your visit?
Yeah, this time it was very well planned compared to the other two. There is a lot of traffic arrangement to be done this time. And as you see, this particular year, there is a lot of flavors of cashews which has been come here of different brands and of different types. The food stalls are well organized. Also, this year they have taken care of the small children, the kids. They have specially arranged some places for kids entertainment and playing all sorts of things. And moreover, this Cashew Festival brings all this community together and preserves our heritage. So it is very important to carry on this type. And secondly, if there are some students who are in this particular field, it's a good opening for them to study all this type of product and can get into production of these cashew products, whatever it is there. And also same time, they will come to know whatever schemes are available, how the government can support you in this particular field. So all that thing can be summed up in this festival here. Everything you can come to know by coming here. And this is my third time I am here. So this year the arrangement is really fabulous compared to the other 2 years.
Sir, do you have any memories with the cashew fruits or cashew nuts from your childhood which you like to share with us?
Yes, from our childhood, cashews, we have always been eating cashews right from our school days, and what we called as the bee-bear. We used to take some 2 sticks and remove that and eat at the tender this thing, nuts. And sometimes we used to get our fingers stained with that, that tea, what we call. And it used to not go for few days.
Sir, this is the third season. Every season you come and visit here. So this time you are happy?
Yes, I am very happy because this season the arrangement is very good. Especially the traffic, there is no traffic mess this time because it is nicely organized for VIP areas, for general parking, and the parking ground has been allotted as a general parking area. It is very nicely done. There are a lot of volunteers also here who placed everywhere on the road. There is no much traffic jam this year. And also, as I told you, the kids section for entertainment, that is a lovely concept. They have taken care of the kids.
Sir, your full name and you are from which place?
Yeah, I am Russell Barito. I live in Karanzale.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.